How many? Just one. It's a big box for one. You can hear all your lyrics?
Oh yeah.
Are those 8-inch?
10s.
10s. Okay, 4 10s. The
Neos.
CT Sounds Neo mid bass. Awesome.
Mats on
4-channel mats. What is this wired to? The 5K?
2 ohm. It's 2 ohm amp.
2 ohm amp. Okay.
But the amp, the sub is like wired down to 1.
It is okay. Sweet. So this is like a not blow through, 4th order bandpass?
6 order.
6th.
6
wow.
order. 2 and 1.
2 and 1. Okay. Interesting.
It gets down to like 17 hertz.
Really? Oh wow. Is there a way I can get in here? You can see a little bit. Oh, so it has a port, and then there's like another port
Over there in the corner.
back in the corner.
Right there.
Yep, you can see it. Okay.
Go all the way
There you go. And then that's where the sub is.
Mm-hmm. Sub right there.
Right here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How many?
Just one.
Just one. It's a big box for one. I bet you it's got bandwidth. Oh yeah. Carolina quad?
Yep, Carolina quad.
Carolina quad, all right. And your name?
Tim Turner.
Tim Turner. All right. Have you metered it yet?
Last time I metered, I had an audio pipe 1600 on it. It did like a 145.
145?
700 watts.
That's efficient. 700 watts clamped. Sweet.
This right here is 16, 26 hertz.
16 hertz. Oh, you can play the 16s. All right.
Got the trunk on the back of the we just ride around the street trying to get the bag. You ain't know what time it is. YG, what up? Big man, Monty Top, on here. 20 back in the trunk of the low. Get stripped, trying to fuck with them hoes. On the corner selling nothing but dough. Love life, we was struggling though. Sentimental when it counted the fall. You ain't never gave me nothing to hold. Freight trailer finna fuck up the road. $250,000, you ain't done it before. Big Cuban link hugging the door. Bernie nigga been 100 for sure. Ain't debit card 100 or more. Made 100K in front of the stone. Count up the money and go. Another play for like 30 or something. Chain worth like a birdie or something. Cali nigga, where they murder for nothing. Yeah, still on the turf with the youngest. Pull up swerving a buggy. They think it be honest and tucky. If she bout some more in the running. That nigga ain't for nothing. I came up from nothing. Remember them days? Hey, kill all that rapping. I'm not with the fuckery. You can get hit with this K. Crack over that bag. It's that shit you can only get from the bay. Wide car, 20 bricks in LA. How you bang, but ain't been in LA. Still slipping, I'ma keep it that way. I ain't freeze with a yeek in my face. Yellow tape, should've seen how they did it. 40 shields really eat up your face. Run to play, but no, he don't play. Make him say, make him say, ay. Niggas know I'm on call. Get a homie a K. Told him make him say, make him say, ay. Niggas loud at hey.
That likes the lows. Is that what you wanted? To play them lows like
real
that?
lows.
I mean, like, you're not even unloading. It's just playing it. That sounds good. I appreciate that, dude. Wow. How's the highs? Do you have anything like a little bit higher notes, or is it more lows based?
No, they get all down to like, they can play all with like 50, 60.
Really? Oh, wow. Okay. It's an efficient box.
Yeah. That's 42 to 21 hertz.
Well, that's a good one.
Join us. She stayed with you, but that's our bitch. for sure. Hey, debit card, 100 or more. Made 100K in front of the store. Count up the money and go. Another play for like 30 or so. Change work like 20 bricks in LA. How you bang, but ain't been in LA. Still slipping, I'ma keep it that way. I ain't freeze with a yank in my face. Yellow tape, should've seen how they did it. 40 shields really eat up your face. Word to play, but no, you don't play. We just ride around days trying to get the bag. You already know what time it is. Geez, what up? Selling nothing but dough. Love life, we was struggling though. Sentimental when it counted the fall. You ain't never gave me nothing to hold. Freight trailer finna fuck up the road. $250,000, you ain't done it before. Big Cuban link under the thumb. Bernie nigga been 100 for sure. Hey, debit card 100 or more. Paid 100K in front of the store. Count up the money and go. Another play for like 30 or something. Chain worth like a party or something. County niggas where they murder from that. Still on the top, youngest. Pull up, swerving the bucket. If they can be honest, junkie. If she got some hard and running, that nigga ain't for nothing. I came up from nothing. Remember them days? Hey, kill all that rapping. I'm not with the fuckery. You can get hit with this cane. Back over that bag. It's that shit you can only get from the bank. Wild card, 20 bricks in LA. How you bang, but ain't been in LA. Still slipping, I'ma keep it that way. I ain't freeze with a yank in my face. Yellow tape, should've seen how they did it. 40 shields really eat up your face. Word to play, but no, he don't play. Niggas say, niggas say, hey. Niggas know I'm on call. Get a homie a K. So the niggas say, niggas say, hey. Niggas love that hey. Yeah. You best. She stayed with you, but that's our bitch. That's my bitch.
I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Oh, yeah, you know
nice
it.
to meet you again, dude. That's good for one sub in all this space.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. Was that your goal?
Yeah.
To be able to just be really musical, play all the notes,
All
and
of it.
you can hear it.
Everything.
Yeah, everything. Quality sound and just bandwidth for days.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. And what size alternator was it?
That's stock.
Stock
Everything's
alternator,
stock.
really? Oh, okay. Efficient, man.
stock.
Nice
I'm about to
meet
put
you,
a
man.
about to put a 370 in here.
370?
Yeah, and 2 North Star 170 on batteries.
Okay. Oh, that'll help.
Yeah, it help a lot.
Yep. Awesome. Well, you have a good drive, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.